Excuse me, Mr. Alien. The guy said that you could survive anything I throw at you. Well, I lied. Hello, gaming demolition experts, and welcome back to Teardown. This game has seen quite a few updates, if I'm honest. I have been following a bit. One of the updates it came with was, one, Steam Workshop. This game now has Steam Workshop, so you can download a bunch of maps and stuff and fuck about, which is what I've done. I downloaded quite a few. One of the recent ones I literally just downloaded tonight. Let you drive a tornado. That'll be an interesting tale to tell the mates. Put in there. So, what were you doing today, Kevin? Oh, I was just driving a tornado down Hollywood Boulevard. You were what now? That'd be very interesting. Are you still flooded? But another thing this is a major update as well, which is one, the destruction is better now. They've improved the destruction engine in this game. That looks fucking sick. There are also new missions, and they've added stuff. And I was originally going to just talk about in the same workshop for this video, but as I said, well, I might, no, I'll make another. I think I'm gonna make a lot of videos on Teardown, because Teardown is such a great game. It is so fun. Basically, to me, all Teardown is a game just to bomb shit. That's all I see. I just see it as like blow whatever the fuck you want up and just have fun. What even happened here? Let's get into it and check it out. Sucker. Yeah, I completed this game. Months ago, actually. I had completed the game, and I got. Have you always been here? I'm not talking to you guys. I'm actually asking myself, because I've played this a bit. Like, I often come back and just talk about some of the older missions, or just wander about. I can't remember if I've ever seen this before. I was actually gonna make another challenge video where because the final mission has you running away from a helicopter. I was originally going to make another challenge video on that. What I wasn't expecting was for it to be so short. Like, the first go around I died, and the second round go I nailed it, and then it got the credits. So it was really short. The distance wasn't even long anyway. I feel like there are vehicles here that weren't before. Hang on, it said there's new destruction, which is why I've got the bazooka. Yes. I've seen this thing. I'm gonna bomb it the fuck up. Oh, like it was a little house. Oh well. That looks the same. Oh yeah. Literally after you complete the game, you get this from Tuxedo Labs. I really did. I actually wanted to message these guys. I wanted to message Tuxedo Labs and say, this is one of the most fun games I've played in all of 2020. That's what I wanted to say, and I never got around to it. Like, I want to, I really do. I want to message Tuxedo Labs and tell them this game's fucking phenomenal. Like, it is literally one of the best games I've ever played. Anyway, let's see what I've got. So, I've got Anton Wolfie. Hey, are you available for a job? I feel like I might need to Google what the fuck any of this is. Or maybe just message Tuxedo Labs and ask where the game is set. Okay, so I've just picked up a fucking minigun. Yeah, we just got military vehicles in here. Lovely. Prepare what? Okay. Oh, fuck, I'll wing it. Because I don't fucking know. How's this for damage? Where's the 50%? Yeah, that's a mess. Okay, so I've done the mission. No, oh, for fuck's sake. Hang on. Bye. Well, you're a sturdy bloody thing, aren't you? How? So I'm doing this mission again. Right, so basically having a shit ton of explosives, good thing. Good to know, can't I just drive a tank through it? That's a point. You don't get a toilet. Is that the only bathroom in here? Wow. These guys are stupid. Not gonna lie, this is sort of tedious, almost. Oh, good just asking for it. That tree didn't even do anything. Apart from exist. But yeah, this is it. I'm having to scavenge everywhere. Looking for explosives. Hang on. Just so I know. Makes that easier. What do I do with you? Oh, there you are. Come on. We got work to do. I really do dig playing this game. It's so much fun. If you've not picked up Teardown, why? Why have you not picked this game up? It's phenomenal. It's flipping amazing. It's an amazing game. It is so good. I mean, there aren't that many games I've played that are as fun as this. There really aren't. Especially with a sandbox. The only game I've really played with a sandbox is Gary's mod. And that's the only one, and that's usually me exploring maps and then just littering it with corpses. More specifically, I just ragdolls everywhere. A map I did download was the Black Mesa complex. Got that. Yep. I am a nerd. I mean, this is serious planning. And I really hope this isn't the only bloody mission. Although I'm thinking it is. Which will mean I'm gonna fuck up into the sandbox. Okay, so yeah, it's just the main mission. The bathroom looks really nice. Then you got it here, and it looks like a piece of dog shit. So I think I know what I need to do. Why have I spawned in a sauna? Oh well, whatever. I don't like stages. Excellent. Up yours. Legend. I don't like this place. Or this tree. Someone probably loved that car. And now it's dust. Hello, Jeep. Bye. Death to sandcastles. How would that even work? I'm just gonna destroy all the vehicles. Change your plan. You die now. So what percentage of destruction do you think this classifies as? Oh, hello. Yep, that's destroyed. As is my frame rate. Let's get this monster truck out of here. Well, that happened. Come on. Lovely, you're stuck. Alright, well, fuck you. So now what I'm gonna do is... Alright then. So now what I'm gonna do is head over to a couple Steam Workshop maps. Tell you what, I'm gonna download some weapons. Okay, so let's check this out. Yep, that's quite effective. And... okay, fucking need that. I mean... yes. I dig that. Oh, hang on. I have an idea. Okay, so with the click exploder, yeah. Makes that easier. Sure, I had God mode on. Oh wow, that's effective. Oh god! It's just non-existent. Go. Oh. My man's gonna screw over these things. Because again, this thing seems... Good Jesus God. Damn. Well, yeah, that'll work. Fuck. Like, I have no words for this thing. Okay. I mean, this is a drivable tornado. Wow, this is kind of pathetic. This is a lackluster tornado. Not gonna lie. Yes, rip the tornado apart. Hello. Not you, piece of shit, mate. Yep, so that was lackluster. Well, that's never not funny. Whoa! Bye. I want to see the thing up close. Hello. Bye bye. Yep, that'll work. Bye. I must go. My planet needs me. Wonder what would happen if I used this on a person. I wonder what would happen. Maybe they just get flung into a building. Maybe they just get that. I know. I just want to help me with a science experiment. Well. I wonder how many people are happy. Hey, Optimus! No, come back here, you dick. No, that's not coming here, that's passing off into the water. Now we can see what happens. Yeah. Jesus. So, question and answer moment. If you saw someone with this type of power, would you really stay? Because I certainly... Where did they go? Oh, that's fun. Wow, that card doesn't exist anymore. Yeah, nothing's gonna live. Definitely not that. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I just found my new favorite toy. Oh fuck. Where's that going? Oh my god, this is the stupidest fun ever. Okay, that's just gone into outer space. Is it bad? I want the superpower. Just a bit, yeah. Well, Well, and land it, land it, land it, land it. 10 points. What the fuck is this power? It's stupid as what it is. And I love it. Oof. Yeah, I don't know how you're gonna explain that to the car insurance. Right. I just obliterated that thing's face. Wait. Just imagine that was a regular occurrence. You just got vehicles coming at being launched from the air, dropping down on your property. It's like, is Terry throwing cars again? It's TV. What is this TV made of? See, if it were possible to make a new game in this. That thing just ran off of here. If it was possible to make a new game in Teardown, I would try on that vehicle that drops us off. What the hell? There we go. Fucking hell. I'm having too much fun. I'm just gonna stop it here. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, which just ended up being me destroying a bunch of shit. Now one thing. So, lighthouses no more. Lighthouses are not needed. I've decided. Thank you. Oh, it's gone. Thank you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Ooh. Literally all I'm just going to be doing is just this. This weapon is now my new toy. I'm in a good spot. I've literally got nothing else for this video, just... Oh, just... Where did that go? Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. Sorry for me just being an idiot right now. Yeah. Literally picked this game up. It's fucking hysterical. Whee! Keep up with me at Taylorgang and keep up with my friends. Bye. Keep up with my friends. Fuck's sakes. Keep up with my... I'm gonna stop now. Keep up with my friends, Manny in the House Gun, Spiritual Theory, aka Net with Anime Roar, Sungazer, aka Naruto Uzumaki, Asher Kami, and Undercover Nerd. And as always, I'm Taylorgang, and I will see you next time. Fucking hell. What do I have to do to get this type of superpower? Actually... Would you want me to have this power? Probably not, since there was someone that would have decapitated them. I'll see you guys next time.